Hey, Eric.
Hi.
Hi. Crazy question for you. How does your fire department secure funding for your vehicles?
So we receive municipal contributions from the township in Helen Borough, as well as the Township Capital Fund. We also receive grants from various state and private organizations. And then we also do our own fundraisers to raise money for our vehicles.
So how much would your next apparatus cost?
Our next purchase is probably going to be between $1.2 and $1.4 million.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
It is. We have a lot of work to do.
Yes, you do. Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks.